Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best waterproof LED strip lights 12 volt that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also, make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Ranked at number 5, we have the Foxdam Flexible LED Strip Lights. This is a budget-friendly option that offers a surprising amount of versatility for its price point. With 600 bright 6500K daylight LEDs packed into a 16.4 feet strip, it's perfect for basic indoor and outdoor lighting. The IP65 waterproof rating ensures it can withstand splashes and light rain, though it's not suitable for submersion. It's also cuttable and linkable, allowing users to customize the strip to fit different spaces. Design-wise, the strip is simple and functional, with a width of 10 millimeters and a durable plastic construction. However, it does not include a power adapter, so you'll need to purchase one separately. This makes it less plug-and-play compared to pricier options. In terms of performance, the LEDs are quite bright, but the lack of smart features or color options limits its appeal for advanced applications. If you're looking for an affordable lighting solution for holiday decorations, under-cabinet lighting, or small DIY projects, this product is a great pick. The main downsides are its lack of included components and absence of advanced control features. But for $12.75, it's hard to beat the value. At number 4, we have the Topy Cove LED Strip Light. This product stands out with its Cove chip-on-board technology, which provides a uniform, dotless light emission. With an impressive 480 LEDs per meter and a 4,000 lumen output, it's perfect for areas requiring bright, consistent lighting, such as bedrooms, cabinets, or DIY projects. The IP65 rating ensures water resistance, making it suitable for outdoor use in moderate conditions. Its design is sleek and modern, featuring a silicone coating that enhances its durability and gives it a crystal-clear finish. Installation is straightforward thanks to the double-sided adhesive tape and pre-soldered connectors. However, like many budget and mid-range options, it does not include a power supply, which may be an inconvenience for some users. Performance-wise, the high CRI, a multiply, ensures accurate color rendering, making this strip ideal for tasks where color precision is important. Overall, the Topy Cove LED strip offers a significant step up in brightness and quality compared to standard LED strips at a reasonable price. While it lacks advanced controls like app or remote integration, its straightforward functionality makes it a strong contender for practical lighting needs. Taking the third spot is the Hokon LED Boat Strip Lights. Designed specifically for marine applications, this 32.8-foot strip delivers 600 super bright 550/50 white LEDs, making it ideal for illuminating boat interiors, decks, and night fishing setups. The kit includes two 16.4-foot rolls, a splitter cable, extension cables, mounting clips, and screws, providing everything you need for installation without requiring separate purchases. The design emphasizes flexibility and durability. The FPCB copper circuit board allows for gentle bends to fit curved surfaces, but users must avoid sharp angles to prevent damage. The IP65 waterproof rating ensures reliable performance in rainy or snowy conditions, and the adhesive backing, combined with mounting clips, ensures secure placement. With a lifespan of over 50,000 hours, this strip is built to last. While it lacks smart features like app control or color customization, its brightness, reliability, and ease of installation make it an excellent choice for boat owners looking to enhance their vessel's lighting. The main drawback is its relatively high price, but considering the quality and included components, it remains a solid investment. Coming in at number 2 is the Glist Boat Lights LED Waterproof Strip. This 25 feet RGB strip is designed for both marine and RV applications, featuring IP67 waterproofing and a long lifespan of 50,000 hours. Its standout feature is the Zenge app integration, which provides a wealth of smart controls, including DIY color customization, music sync, candle mode, smart timers, and group control from multiple light sets. The design is modern and durable, with a fully wrapped silicone coating that ensures protection against water damage during heavy rain or wave splashes. It comes with a cigarette lighter plug and a direct wiring option for 12V batteries, providing flexibility during installation. Additionally, the self-adhesive backing and included mounting clips make setup quick and secure. While its brightness and feature set are impressive, the Glist strip's 25 feet length may be limiting for larger projects. Still, for $27.99, it delivers excellent value, particularly for users looking for smart functionality and vibrant RGB lighting for their boats or RVs. Claiming the top spot is the Tendest LED boat light strip. This premium option is packed with features that justify its $39.99 price tag. With 33 feet of RGB lighting, 66 feet when using both rolls, and an IP67 waterproof rating, it's designed for marine-grade durability and versatility. The Zenge app integration offers advanced features like dynamic modes, music sync, candle effects, camera color picking, and smart timers, making it highly customizable for any occasion. Build quality is exceptional, with fully waterproof cords, connections, and controllers, ensuring consistent performance in harsh weather conditions. Installation is simplified with a cigarette lighter plug, direct wiring options, self-adhesive backing, and included mounting clips. The included 2.4G remote provides convenient control, even through walls. This product excels in performance, offering vibrant RGB lighting and smart controls tailored to boat owners looking to elevate their vessel's ambiance or enhance night fishing experiences. While the price is on the higher side, its premium build quality, smart features, and extended length make it the ultimate choice for those seeking the best in waterproof LED strip lighting. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.